Your guitar's intonation is how in tune it is across the entire fretboard. Just because your string's in tune, it doesn't necessarily mean that the notes on your fretboard will be. Hi, I'm Connor from Roundtable Audio, and today I'll show you how to set your guitar's intonation. I recommend doing this as part of a full guitar setup. I've made an easy to follow guide here that will walk you through everything you need to know step by step. Here's what you'll need to adjust your guitar's intonation: a set of new guitar strings, a screwdriver, Phillips head for Strat style bridges or flat head for a Tune-o-matic style bridge, and a guitar tuner, ideally one that can take a direct signal from your guitar. To set your guitar's intonation, first make sure that your guitar is fully in tune. It's also really important that you're using fresh strings when setting your intonation, as using old strings is completely pointless. Old strings can be damaged, worn, stretched out, so any reading that you take might not be accurate. Starting with the low E string, play the open string and then play the 12th fret. The 12th fret is an E note, so it should be the same as the open string. A quick tip: try and play the note as normally as you can. When you're focusing on playing a specific note, it's easy to push too hard or pick too hard, which can bend the string out of tune and not give you an accurate reading. I'd say just give it a few practices of playing it normally first. Now, see whether the note is sharper, higher pitched than it should be, or flatter, lower pitched than it should be. If the note is sharp, then tighten the screw by turning it clockwise. If the string is flat, then loosen the saddle. Now, retune your guitar, as the string will be a different pitch depending on whether you loosened or tightened it. It's really important that you retune your guitar every time you make an adjustment to your saddle. Once your string's in tune for both the open string and 12th fret, repeat this across each string until they're all in tune. If your guitar saddle is all the way back and won't move any further, and the intonation still isn't right, then check your guitar's neck relief again, because that's the most common problem that I see. If you have a Tune-o-matic style bridge and you're still having problems, you can actually take it out and flip it round, and that can help because of how the saddles are shaped. If you're still having problems and it's only a cent or two out, I'd suggest just leaving it, as you probably won't hear it anyway. But if you want it to be perfect, then take it down to your local guitar store. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like to help it reach more people, and stick around by subscribing for more guitar related content. Thank you.